Hey guys, this is Greg with Greg James Designs in Oklahoma City. Did you know that we do renovation plans? You have an existing home or an existing barn dominium. We're here in Nacona, Texas. I got some, nothing says Texas like Longhorns there. But yeah, we do. If you have an existing home, we do renovation plans. I have a client in Nacona, which is in North Texas, and they have an existing building on about 250 acres. Wonderful couple. And they wanted to basically renovate this building. It's got some living space in it, but they're going to redo it and make it more acceptable and add on to it and that sort of thing. So yeah, so we do that. So give us a call. We can talk and let us talk to you how we can help you. All right, thank you.